Did you know that Muslims around the world celebrate more than 30 different Islamic holidays, many of which are unique to specific cultures and communities? While Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha are the most widely recognized, countless other local festivals and commemorations bring families and friends together in meaningful ways. How do you celebrate these special days with your loved ones through prayer, feasts, or cherished traditions passed down through generations? Celebrating Islamic holidays is a time of joy, reflection, and deep spiritual connection for Muslims around the world. Whether it's the breaking of the fast during Eid al-Fitr or the act of sacrifice and generosity during Eid al-Adha, these occasions hold great religious and cultural significance. Beyond the rituals and prayers, what truly makes these holidays special is the presence of family and friends. Sharing meals, exchanging gifts, and spending time with loved ones strengthen the bonds of community and bring warmth to every celebration. These gatherings remind us that faith is not only practiced individually, but also nurtured through togetherness and compassion. Despite the joy Islamic holidays bring, many people face real challenges when trying to connect with family and friends during these special times. In today's fast-paced world, busy schedules, work commitments, and academic pressures can make it difficult for loved ones to gather, even on important religious occasions. For others, geographic distance poses a major hurdle, whether due to living abroad, travel restrictions, or financial limitations. Being far from home can turn what should be a joyful celebration into a lonely experience. Additionally, some may feel disconnected due to time zone differences, especially when trying to coordinate virtual gatherings. These challenges highlight the need for creative ways to maintain meaningful connections and keep the spirit of togetherness alive, no matter the circumstances. Islamic holidays offer a beautiful blend of tradition and opportunity for creativity when it comes to celebration. Traditionally, these occasions are marked with special prayers, charitable giving, zakat and sadaqah, family gatherings, and feasts featuring beloved dishes. Homes are often decorated, and people wear their best clothes to mark the day with joy and gratitude. In today's digital age, many families have embraced modern adaptations to keep the spirit of the holidays alive. Virtual iftar gatherings over Zoom, online gift giving, and live stream sermons allow people to stay connected, especially when distance or busy schedules get in the way. For those looking to add a personal touch, creative ideas can make celebrations more engaging, like organizing an Islamic trivia night, baking traditional treats together over a video call, or creating handmade cards and care packages to send to relatives. Involving children in activities like decorating the home with Islamic art or storytelling sessions about the significance of the holiday also fosters connection and learning. No matter the method, the heart of these celebrations remains the same: honoring faith, strengthening bonds, and spreading joy among family and friends. One particularly touching story comes from a family separated across 3 continents who hadn't celebrated Eid together in over 5 years. Determined to reconnect, the eldest sibling proposed a virtual Eid celebration. Each family prepared traditional dishes from their respective countries: biryani in the UK, kebabs in Canada, and mamul in the UAE, and they all logged into a video call, dressed in their festive clothes, just before the Eid prayer time. What made the moment truly special was a surprise video montage the youngest cousin had secretly compiled, featuring old family photos, childhood clips, and warm Eid greetings from extended relatives. Laughter, tears, and heartfelt du'as filled the screen. Despite the physical distance, everyone felt emotionally closer than ever. That celebration became a cherished memory and sparked a new tradition: an annual virtual family gathering, reminding them that even when miles apart, the joy and unity of Islamic holidays can still bring hearts together. We'd love to hear from you. How do you celebrate Islamic holidays with your loved ones? Whether it's a cherished family tradition, a heartfelt reunion, or a creative way you've stayed connected despite the distance. Share your story in the comments below. Your experience might inspire someone else. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our next one, in where we explore unique Eid traditions from around the world. You might just discover something new to try in your next celebration.